Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not loading on the application of Google Wallet. You will click on settings, here in this first page, you will click on settings, then you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Google Wallet and you will enter. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by liking